I came here thinking I would only be a tourist for a few days. Instead, I became someone who returned again and again and again, discovering new beginnings, friendships, wonder, and the kind of moments you don't plan for and can't fake. Without that, this would just be another influencer chasing views. There, I said it. Good morning, I hope you all slept very well. Today is an exciting day. I'm going to be taking you along to hang out with my big bro and venture through Jingshan. Here, we'll venture around one of Beijing's most famous parks to see how people of Beijing, near and far, enjoy history, culture, music, nature, and more. So stick around as we wander China. It's just about noon, and I'm waiting for Da Ge to swing by and pick me up from my hotel. I haven't seen him since I was here last, which too was about 12 years ago, so this surely should be fun. I've packed my gimbal, my charger, and I'm all ready to go. We're headed over to the central part of Beijing, just north of Gugong. I have heard of Jingshan, but it's a spot I haven't visited yet, mainly because I confused it with Beihai or Hohai. These spots are extremely close, but once you're there, you'll know which one is which. We quickly find parking and enter the park. Since I was here last in Beijing, you could enter any park without reservation, pay for your ticket at the entrance, and just enter at your own convenience. But these days, things have changed. You now need a reservation at many of the national parks due to the influx of visitors from all over the country and more. Thankfully, Da Ge took care of most of these things in advance for us. I'm always impressed and enjoy every bit of nature in China, and you should too. We slowly made our way through the park, and immediately I began to hear music in the distance. As we approached the sounds closer, we noticed seniors dancing to their familiar tunes. Nice, huh? Let's continue climbing. The closer we climbed, the more pavilions we began to see. Crowds were growing in number, and Gugong was clear in the distance. We continued climbing to get a better view of Gugong. At this height, many parts of the city were now visible, from the White Pavilion close by, the Olympic Park in the north, and even the city downtown area in Guomao. At the top, we get the best view of Gugong, and this marks the central axis of Beijing. Once we had enough, we headed back down to tour more of the park, searching for the famous spot of the Emperor Chongzhen and the halls of the Shouhuangdian. The Shouhuangdian group halls are a group of royal halls honoring the imperial ancestors of the Ming Dynasty and the Qing Dynasty. They stand in Jingshan Park along the central axis of Beijing. During the Ming Dynasty, these group of halls were in the northeastern corner of the Jingshan Imperial Garden. In 1749, during the reign of the Qing Emperor Qianlong, the Shouhuangdian group halls were rebuilt north of the Jingshan Hill, which were one of the important building structures along the central axis of Beijing during the Ming and the Qing dynasties. Enshrined in the Shouhuangdian are the portraits and tablets of the 8 emperors from the Emperor Kangxi to Emperor Guangxu and the empresses. The imperial families held ceremonies each year to mark the beginning and the end of the year, important festivals, birthdays, or dates of passing away of previous emperors. I hope you enjoyed this little journey through Jingshan. So stay tuned. We'll walk through Beihai Park next and show the contrast between today and my first time in China in 2008. Now hold on, before you go, If you enjoyed exploring this place with me, subscribe so you can join the next journey. You never know where we're going to go to next. And if you plan on going where I've already been and need advice, follow me on my socials right here and connect anytime. Thanks for coming along. I'll see you next time.